Also, as an applied scientist, because you actually have skin in the game, और कई सारे लोग ये बात करते हैं, आई एम श्योर आपने सुना होगा ऑब्वियसली, कि यू नो हाउ एआई इज गोइंग टू टेक द जॉब. बहुत छोटी लो लेवल की चीज़ें ऑटोमेट हो जाएंगी, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियरिंग नहीं रहेगी, यू नो क्रिएटिव्स का काम नहीं रहेगा, ऑल ऑफ दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑटोमेटेड. लाइक व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ मच ऑफ इट इज a hype and how much in actual it is true?
The more I see these models, I feel it is actually going to be true. But why I say that is ki these models are getting better every day. But the only aspect is that a person who is not using AI will get obsolete first than a person who is actually incorporating AI in their daily lives. So for example, मैंने बताया कि अगर मेरे को कोई चैट वेबसाइट बनानी है, आई कैन क्विकली आस्क चैट जीपीटी और क्लॉड एंड गेट माई वेबसाइट टेम्पलेट. ना उस चीज़ को करने में मुझे मे बी 5 मिनट लगे, बट इफ़ आई वर टू डू इट विदाउट चैट जीपीटी आई माइट बी टेकिंग अ डे और 2. वहीं पे आई गॉट स्लोड डाउन. So somebody who is using these tools, incorporating that into their daily lives, even as a content creator. So if I have to write a YouTube script about some video, I will be able to work much faster on my idea using a large language model or a machine learning model than to write my script from scratch. So that gives me a base to improve upon and actually work around. So these models are actually getting better day by day. There are claims from different CEOs of Anthropic and other places where they are saying that coding will be obsolete by 2027.
Yeah, recently I think that he spoke that somewhere.
Exactly. So the reason around that is these models are getting very good by the day. And क्योंकि internet पे ही है सारा coding वाला data, you can easily make them learn it. And every generation of model which gets better helps making the next generation of the models even better, because these models can now be used to create more data set, better quality data set. And that is where these models are improving. Agentic capabilities are रही हैं. You are able to incorporate it into different workflows and create things around it. But there is an element of human creativity that is always there. So while these models can do something, to say that will it completely eradicate it, I don't think so. There will be a scope of humans actually using and leveraging these tools to make bigger things. तो जहाँ पहले आज से 3-4 साल पहले हम कुछ प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट सॉल्व कर रहे थे जो कि वर मच सिंपलर, बट नाउ वी आर एबल टू वर्क बियॉन्ड दैट. नाउ वी आर एबल टू वर्क इवन एफिशिएंटली एंड आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व बिगर प्रॉब्लम्स. तो क्योंकि ये लार्ज लैंग्वेज मॉडल्स ने पुरानी प्रॉब्लम्स को ऑब्सोलीट बना दिया है, दे आर ईजी टू सॉल्व, सो वी टेक देम फॉर ग्रांटेड एंड नाउ वी आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग ऑन बिगर प्रॉब्लम्स टू सॉल्व फॉर. तो इट्स ऑलवेज द स्काई इज द लिमिट वाली चीज़ है कि वाइल some domains and things will go away, there will be new opportunities created due to it. And what humans have that power is to be resilient on these things, that they are always coming up on top and adapting to it. So that's what the spirit should be.
You are right in that sense ki, you know, you need to constantly use the latest tools, otherwise you will get left behind and all of that.
Exactly.
But I also want to know in terms of things like, I think we call that as AGI or something like
Artificial general intelligence,
which is actually, you know, what they are saying कि ये true general intelligence है. Like it's not something जो कि एक ही कोई use के solve करेगी या एक ही चीज को solve कर सकती है. Like it's actually a replacement for a human, if you have to say that.
Right.
So how far we are from that? What do you think?
Yeah, different people have their own timelines around it. Some say it's going to come in the next 2-3 years. Some say it will take 10 years or more, or it's not even possible.
Do you think it is possible? In a way कि इतनी complexity को, I mean, you embed in a piece of technology.
Yeah.
Actually हो सकता है?
I feel somewhere yes. So even today, the kind of problems that large language models are able to solve, 3 years back I wouldn't have thought कि these were possible to be solved in such short amount of time. So it's an exponential curve जहाँ पे growth जो है वो linear नहीं है. हर दिन double triple चीज़ें अच्छी होती जा रही हैं. And that is where this technology itself is evolving at a rapid pace. So we might be able to solve it. If Transformers is the technology or something else, I'm not sure. But the way it looks, and also the aspect of जो चीज़ें हमें 5 साल पहले बहुत हार्ड लगती थी, इम्पॉसिबल टू सॉल्व लगती थी, आज वो सॉल्व हो रही हैं. दैट इटसेल्फ इज़ अ मैजिकल थिंग टू सी. That if I ask a Claude model to write a complete project for me, it will actually do the job of doing that whole thing, starting, initiating the files, writing the code into it, testing it, then deploying it, seeing कि output कैसा आ रहा है. So all these things are possible through different systems which are created around these technologies, and that
Okay.
itself, I mean, it's so amazing to see. So the definition by large of artificial general intelligence is that it is as good as a human. But humans also have different varying set of skills.
Human
And
has flaws.
exactly. So that is where it's more about what all it can solve as of today. If it is able to even do 80% of the jobs that humans are able to do, I would say that's as close to AGI as you can be, and then you can reach to the next level. So
क्योंकि मतलब
yeah.
we could literally have a moment 10 years down the line कि we have this new great poet who is not an actual human but
Yeah.
you know a piece of technology,
Absolutely.
or this next great writer.
Yeah, it's happening even now. It's not a 10 years down the line thing. Ki there are, in fact, there was last week itself a research paper published that was completely written by AI,
Okay.
and it was sent to a top tier peer reviewed conference, and it got accepted there.
So it was a novel work that AI was able to do.
I don't know the details about that कि उस paper में क्या चीज़ बताई गई थी, whether it is novel or something, but yes, it was peer reviewed and it got good feedback from the reviewers. So
I think it is possible क्योंकि हम जनरली बात करते हैं कि इंसान ही वो है जो ओरिजिनलिटी क्रिएट कर सकता है, बट इफ यू लुक एट इट लाइक ओरिजिनल क्या है, कोई भी चीज़ ओरिजिनल तो नहीं है ना इन अ वे. हम तो नॉलेज को यूज करके रिसाइकिल कर रहे हैं और टेक्नोलॉजी कैन डू इट एट स्केल.
Right.
तो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक इट इज क्वाइट very much possible.
Yeah.
What might not be automated is something like manual work. Yeah, things which actually involve a lot of physical things.
That's also something to.
But it's hard.
Yeah, it is hard. So अभी ज़्यादा easy. पहले क्या सोचा जाता था कि ज़्यादा हार्ड होगा कोडिंग वाली चीज़ें सॉल्व करना जो लॉजिकल हैं, जो ब्रेन ऑक्यूपाई करती हैं, बट दैट इज नाउ गेटिंग सॉल्व फास्टर. द रीजन फॉर दैट इज देयर इज एन अबंडेंस ऑफ डेटा अराउंड इट. क्योंकि सॉफ्टवेयर डेटा है, ऑनलाइन इंटरनेट पे डेटा है, यू आर एबल टू ट्रेन दीज थिंग्स, these large language models with large enough data to learn from. So the hypothesis is जब हमारे पास में data होगा enough, then you will be able to train something or some model around it and it will work very well. तो that is why coding and ये सारे task पहले जल्दी solve हो रहे हैं अभी, writing coding वाले. When you say about manual labor task जहाँ पे physical effort भी चाहिए, that's where robotics comes in. So there you will see Nvidia is launching their own robots. There is a Tesla robot
Elon
also.
Musk launched, I think, one.
Yeah, they also launched like Tesla robot, which is I don't think it's out in the commercial yet, but they are planning to do so. So all these things are again going to actually, first you are going to solve these simpler coding jobs. I wouldn't say simpler in terms of effort and brain, but yeah, it is simple in terms of there is no manual labor or human effort required in terms of muscle
coding
power.
and all can be automated in a way.
Yes, it is
तो
pretty
बड़े
much
सारे
automated.
सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर्स को बुरा लग जाएगा यार.
That's already solved. I mean, if you go use these ChatGPT and all, it will write a better code than like 70-80% of the coders can do as of today. So you have to accept that. And most of the times it's not even about coding, right? I mean, it's not about writing the most beautiful piece of code. It's about the idea. तो जो startups हैं, जो भी चलते हैं, Instagram, right? Instagram is a code, piece of code in the backend. It's not the code that is making it beautiful. It's actually the idea कि एक platform है जहाँ पे लोग अपने photos डाल सकते हैं. They can like, share. It's a social media. So that idea itself is the creative part, which is actually hooking people to it.
Yeah.
So that is where coding is just a tool which enables you to do it. So AI will also become like a tool which enables you to expand your ideas and try something very quickly. So manual wale work bhi, if robotics kicks in and this AI improves over time, it will learn these things also, maybe in simulated environments where it can learn it and then apply it in real world. And that is where it wouldn't be far away from that perspective also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel all of this will happen eventually. only thing which I feel can stop is something like government regulating a lot of things. Is that happening? क्या अभी regulations शुरू हो गई हैं?
Yes, there are a lot of regulations that each of the different global governments are doing. So US also is closely observing कि क्या हो रहा है, how is this space evolving. Similarly, China has some restrictions. So in fact, when this DeepSeek model released, one of the good things about it was that it was trained with very cheap resources.
हाँ. I think
GPUs
only one guy did it. Was it something like that? कि
there were multiple folks involved, but it was more like Nvidia makes these GPUs which are very huge and very powerful also, but US has put up regulations that Nvidia cannot export these GPUs to outside countries. So that is where, because they don't want China to make these big ass models
Yeah.
which are very powerful. It's all AI powered, so whoever has this artificial general intelligence, so to say, or intelligence in general, that will become the next big country or the monopoly in the world. So that is where US doesn't want to give these GPUs. So the DeepSeek Chinese company actually used smaller, lower quality GPUs also to actually train a model which is as good as ChatGPT.